Hello guys, so today for this video we're going to be making origami paper, art of paper. So you can use either printer paper or line paper, whatever you have. So what you want to do is fold this edge to this edge. Oh, one other thing, I want to give a shout out to Dylan Martin and go check out her egg roulette challenge. So after you crease it, it's gonna look something like that. This part you're gonna put it back.
A safe, skilled, and productive workforce that has helped build this city, including the American landmark, the Hoover Dam Bypass. Local 872 is at the foundation of new energy projects, including natural gas, nuclear, solar, and wind power. The most respected employers rely on Las Vegas laborers. Local 872. We get the job done.
And then after that, you're gonna get something that looks something like that. And then you just want to keep folding it back until you get it well greased. So do that about like 5-6 times. So after that, as soon as you see it well greased, that line, you might want to tear it and put it on a table. And then tear it right off.
And our next message to them is simple: you are next.
With his entire team in tow, President Obama met the military's top brass at the Pentagon to get an update on efforts to crush ISIS.
So then you're going to have this piece of paper moved to the side. Then you're going to have something that looks like this. So now for this, you're going to have to put it, you're going to fold it this way. And make sure it's aligned.
Targeting ISIL surgically with precision.
While he did not announce any major strategy changes, he did announce he was sending Defense Secretary Ash Carter to the Middle East to secure more military contributions from U.S. partners.
Our partners on the ground face a very tough
fight ahead. We're going to have an X, now fold this side to this side.
With the support that they need to ultimately clear ISIL from Iraq.
His last visit to the Pentagon was in July, but since then the situation has changed. There have been ISIS-linked California and Paris.
And then, so you're going to get something like that, and then what you want to do, you're going to have an X and a line through to the middle, so then you're going to want to fold it that way.
One analyst says clearing ISIS will not happen overnight.
But that progress is coming pretty slowly, and this strategy is going to take years and years to root out the Islamic State.
Ola Zarani for News 3.
So then, what you're going to have is an X and a plus. So what you want to do is hold it like that, and hold it, and you might want to push this in, hold it like that, make sure it's aligned.
Overdosing on drugs. Friends called to check on her, and that's when officers say she threatened them with a handgun at first. Then during the 3-hour standoff, police say the woman pulled out a shotgun, tried to kill herself. That's what
Do the same thing for the other side.
Former Clark Tom Collins arrest Friday night. Metro Police released this booking photo of earlier Friday.
So you're going to have something that looks like that. So then do the same thing for the other side.
You'll need more than batteries to operate. The Federal Aviation Administration is now requiring all drone owners to register the device on an FAA website. And this new law takes effect soon, December 21st. Some of the requirements include the person needs to be at least 13 years old to sign up on the website.
So then what we want to do is fold this back.
For the first 30 days until
That
January
is
20th.
aligned.
If you don't register and have a drone, you will be subject to civil and even criminal penalties. The FAA believes the requirement will make it easier to educate and identify drone owners.
Uber and Lyft drivers in Seattle have the okay to join a union. City council
So
members approved their right to unionize
so
today.
then
The
you're
plan
going to
covers
unfold
traditional
these
taxi
flaps,
companies and app-based
and
services
you're
like
going
Uber
to
and
take
Lyft.
up one
Supporters
flap,
of the
and
idea say this will
the
allow
police
those
would
drivers
just
to
did,
earn a living wage
you're going
and
to
get
put it
health
like
insurance
that.
benefits. Currently, Uber and similar ride-hailing companies consider their drivers as freelance independent contractors who do not receive benefits.
Comedian Bill Cosby is turning the tables on his accusers. He's filing a suit against 7 of the women accusing him of rape. In the suit from Cosby, he claims he neither drugged or sexually assaulted them. The suit also claims each one maliciously published multiple false statements. Cosby filed counterclaims in a federal court in Massachusetts today. He's seeking unspecified monetary damages. Those 7 women are among about 50 women who've come forward to accuse Cosby of rape or unwanted sexual advances.
Still ahead here tonight, the hype over the Star Wars premiere this Friday is pretty intense.
So intense, even gyms and fitness classes are getting in on the action, where this Jedi master class is getting people in shape.
Plus, once again, baseball's hit king is denied reinstatement back into the sport because of his history of betting on baseball games. What's behind Major League Baseball's decision? Amber has that ahead in sports.
And then after that, you want to open this part up and then fold it backwards.
Watch the Las Vegas Rocks variety show hosted by Tony Sanga, featuring some of Las Vegas' finest entertainers. Saturday late night on Channel 3 NBC.
So it looks something like that.
As soon as I was injured, I knew immediately
And do it for the other side too.
because I didn't want to deal with the hassle of the insurance companies. They helped me get all the medical attention I needed without any money out of my pocket.
Call 8771. Now handling IBC filter cases. This is the best block of all.
So after that, first you just fold it in. You want to put the back out, and then like there, you don't have to crease it. And there's something from the other side, and make sure they're aligned.
That is so Jeffrey.
Jeffrey.
Oh, elves. It's practically yours, but
So
we
you
still need
just
your
like that.
signature. The Volkswagen Sign and Drive event. 0 due at signing, 0 down, 0 deposit, and 0 first month's payment on a new Passat and other select models.
So then you can do it this side, you can do it this side. Fold it down. So that could be the hair. And then for these plots, you're gonna want to fold it down like this back. And do the other side too. And make sure they're aligned. Crease it. And then
Want a special gift this holiday
there you
season?
go.
Hurry to Henderson
There's your
Chevrolet.
shopping.
You'll save thousands on our
Hope you like it and subscribe. Thank you.